Good morning to one and all. Now we are start with the subject signals and systems. First, I will start with basics of signal and system to cover the BE portions. Then I will come gate portion also. I will complete it and further. First of all, I will discuss about signal system basics. What is signal? A physical quantity varying with respect to time is called signal. A physical quantity varying with respect to time is called a signal. Then the classification of signal. First, signal is classified into one dimensional signal, one dimensional signal, that is called one independent variable. One dimensional signal is called one independent variable. One independent variable is called one-dimensional signal. Example, speech signal is called one-dimensional signal. That is called x-axis is time, y-axis is amplitude. It is called speech signal. That is one-dimensional signal. Multi-dimensional signal or two-dimensional signal. Two-dimensional signal. It is called two independent variable. Independent variable is called a two-dimensional signal. Example, image. Image is a two-dimensional signal. Image is nothing but two-dimensional signal. That is brightness versus intensity. Brightness and intensity. Intensity is called a two-dimensional signal. Signal is classified into depends on sources. Based upon sources, it is classified into one channel signal, one channel signal, and a multi-channel signal. In one channel signal is one independent variable. Speech, because a microphone only captures the speech signal, but the microphone captures the speech and convert it into electrical quantity. It is one-dimensional signal, one-channel signal. Next, multi-channel signal. In multi-channel signal captures from number of channels. Example, ECG and EEG. In ECG, number of electrode placed in the human body and capture the signal, then will process. Is called a multi-channel signal. Noise and characteristics. It is continuous signal and a discrete signal. Continuous signal. Signals varying continuously with respect to time is called continuous signal or CT signal. Example, sine waveform. This is called a continuous signal. Example time, amplitude. A is a amplitude, that is x of t. X of t equal to a sine omega t. It is called a continuous signal. Next, further category, discrete signal. It is defined as discrete interval of time is called a discrete signal. In discrete signal, so I give some example. Rain falling rate in a year per month. Suppose there is a month, there is rain falling rate, rain falling rate. Every month the rain falling is differ. That is called a discrete time signal. It is n, it is x of n. That is called a discrete time signal. Next, a digital signal. Digital signal, quantization of discrete signal is called a digital signal. Is called a digital signal. Suppose this is discrete signal. 1 is 0, 2, 3, 4. So if 1, the amplitude is 1.5 now, you will take 2 or you take 1. If 2 amplitude is 3.8 now, you will take 4. Suppose the amplitude 3 is 6.1 now, you take 6. So quantization, the discrete quantization of the discrete signal is called a digital signal. This is the main quantization of the discrete signal is called a digital signal.